All right. So if the nozzle starts to spray and it won't stop because this is something stuck, you you can unscrew the top like this, and you're going to take this handle off like that, and you'll see that's the plunger. That's the valve, right? And you don't want that to. You sort of want to keep your finger over that because you don't want that to just spring out. Boing! So you want to put your finger over it, but you'll see there's actually a little. Oh, and then you take this thing off. That comes out, and you can sort of see back in there. There's a. You can barely see it. You can see the white plunger back there if you were to have the right light. Here, come down. Can you see that there now? See the white in there?
Yep.
That's the plunger. That's the thing. So what I did was I just reached a knife in there and just pushed it back out. I sort of poked it in that thing and then levered it back out so it just popped up a little more. This was depressed.
Oh, I see. That okay.
And then I just sort of kept my finger over it so I didn't plunge it out so it didn't go doing like that. I sort of keep pressure on it. I didn't actually need to do that too much, but I just reached in there with a knife.
Because that's on a spring of some sort.
Yeah, it's on a spring or something like that.
Okay.
And then I sort of kept my finger over there just in case, but it looks like it's fine now.
Okay.
And then you put this back on and it goes down. It's this is down, so you put that in like that, and it fits in. And then you're going to screw this in, but you have to put this on next. And this has got a little notch there that fits on top of that.
And that's what changes it. That changes the setting.
That squeezes this. See, there's this plunger.
You not use this, but
yeah,
probably better that you don't use this thing. But
yeah, unless you're willing to fiddle with it, and you got to put that thing. There's a little notch there that has to go under.
Okay.
And then
good.
You just screw that back on.
And pray.
Yeah. And then.
You want it there?
No, okay. There you go.
Okay.
And you don't, I think the other thing is don't
hold it down.
Don't squeeze it really hard and keep it down because it's on its last legs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Norm.
Yep.